Hi guys, in the day 4 we will discuss about decision making structure in the JavaScript. You know that in the previous classes we have discussed different topics of JavaScript in the day 1, 2 and 3. Now in the day 4 we will discuss about decision making structure, how you can use decision making structure in the JavaScript. So this is a outline for the day 4 that we will learn in the day 4. First of all, in the very first video we will learn about what is means of decision making and how you can create a decision making structure in different way in the JavaScript. One of them is the if statement in JavaScript. Problem with solution in JavaScript. I will provide a problem related to if statement and I will also provide solution for that problem in the JavaScript. If else statement in the JavaScript, and I also share a problem or exercise related to if else statement and I also provide solution for that if else statement related problem. If else if statement in the JavaScript and I also provide a solution with problem, and another is a switch statement in the JavaScript and problem related to switch statement and its solution. So these are different topic we will discuss in the day 4 that will be cleared. Each and everything related to decision making structure will be able to create a decision making structure using these structure topic like if else if and switch statement. Anyhow, you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.